This is going to be a high-ticket affiliate marketing step-by-step tutorial for beginners. These are my affiliate marketing commissions. Yesterday, I recorded a video how to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing, in which you'll learn how to find high-ticket products to promote and why it's important to document your own journey using the product. And today, I will cover how to build the 24/7 sales system. I'm going to show you my funnel for the product that I promote, Freedom Accelerator. I use ClickFunnels to build the opt-in pages and get response for the autoresponder. I have been using this funnel to collect leads, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. This is a tone for your funnel that I downloaded from Freedom Accelerator. And it has 3 steps: the opt-in page, the ebook page, and the bridge page. Let me show you my stats. In the last month, the opt-in page had an opt-in rate of 29%, almost 30%. That means that if 100 people see that page, I can collect 30 emails approximately. The goal is to increase as much as we can the opt-in rate. And you can do that by doing a split test and trying different headlines. For example, this is a really good headline. Finally, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. It has a button, and when people click it, I can collect the name and the email. It has information, a picture of the ebook, and my own photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. The second page, it has information, a picture of the ebook, and a button as well. And I tell people that please check their email because I'm going to send this ebook. And also, if they have any questions, they can send a message to my Instagram. The bridge page, it has more information, a video in which I explain the product and I talk about my own story trying to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. And when people click this button, they will go to my affiliate offer, which is the 72-hour challenge. This challenge has the information about how to start affiliate marketing in 72 hours. The price of the challenge is $9. Let me show you my affiliate dashboard. These are my clicks, referrals, customers, and unpaid earnings. This company usually pays 50% commissions, but for this month I have 70%. Let me show you that this is the link that I promote. And if I click here on edit page, I'm going to click on this button, then set action. And as you can see in the screen, this is my affiliate link. Now, let me show you my autoresponder or email sequence. So when people put their information on my opt-in page, ClickFunnels is going to send the email to get a response. Let me show you that I have 1,121 emails. And today I got 2 more contacts. I'm going to click on tools and then on automation. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Breakthrough, Get Response is going to send these emails automatically. The welcome message on story and the welcome message number 2. In the first message, I talk about my own story, and if they want to get access to the 5-second silent webinar, they can click here. And the other email has my free training, in which I explain what is affiliate marketing and the basic things you need to know if you want to start this business model. Then if people click here, they can download the free ebook. Then Get the Response is going to wait for 1 day and is going to send another message. And that is a free training in which I talk about the traffic strategies I use in my affiliate business. Basically, I send 4 emails with free trainings. And then I send emails to promote my YouTube channel. And in the 7th day, they have the first promo message. That email is for promoting the 72-hour challenge. The next email is for promo as well. And the next one, I send a link to my Facebook group. Let me show you that this email sequence has a lot of more emails. And this system is powerful because once you have set up the opt-in pages and the emails, you just need to focus on sending traffic to it. And one of the most important things you need to do if you want to have an affiliate business for the long term is to build your own email list. Now, if you want to get access to this system that is helping me to make commissions online, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.